Today I'm going to show you how to upscale photos in Photoshop using a clean, non-destructive sharpening workflow that gives you real-time control over the final look. This is a great technique when you want your photos to look crisper, sharper, and more detailed without destroying the original image, whether you're editing portraits, product shots, or any photo that needs a little extra clarity. This method is fast, flexible, and beginner-friendly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and creative editing guides. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your image in Photoshop and look at your Layers panel. You want to start by selecting the image layer you want to sharpen. This is important because the whole method works best when you keep your original layer untouched. Once the correct layer is selected, press Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+J on Mac to duplicate it. This creates a copy of your image layer, which means you can always go back and adjust things later if needed. Now comes the next important step. Right-click on that duplicated top layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. This is what makes the workflow non-destructive. By turning the layer into a smart object, you're preserving flexibility, so if you decide later that the sharpening is too strong or too subtle, you can go back and edit it without starting over. Next, this is where the real-time sharpening magic happens. Before applying the filter, go to the top of the Layers panel and change the blend mode from normal to overlay if you want a stronger sharpening effect, or soft light if you want something more subtle and natural looking. This step is key because it changes the way the high-pass filter interacts with your image. At first, your photo may look a little strange or overly contrasted, and that's completely normal. Don't worry, that's part of the process. Now go up to the top menu bar and select Filter, then Other, and then High Pass. A dialog box will appear, and this is where the difference in your workflow becomes really useful. Instead of just guessing, you can actually see the sharpening effect in real time on your main canvas because the blend mode was already set first. That means no more relying only on the gray preview box. At the bottom of the high pass window, you'll see the radius slider. Start by moving it all the way down to 0.1, then slowly drag it to the right while watching your image carefully. You'll notice the fine edges and details begin to pop as you increase the radius. The goal is to sharpen the important details without making the image look harsh or artificial. For many images, a small radius works best, especially if you want a clean, polished look. Be careful not to push the radius too far. Once you go beyond the sweet spot, usually around 2.0 to 3.0 pixels depending on your photo resolution, you may start seeing glowing halos around the edges. That's a sign the sharpening is becoming too aggressive. So take your time, watch the canvas closely, and stop when the image looks crisp but still natural. When you're happy with the result, click OK to apply the filter. Because you used a smart object, this effect is still editable, which means you can double-click and fine-tune it later if you need to. That's what makes this such a powerful and professional workflow. You're not just sharpening the image, you're building in control and flexibility from the start. And that's how you upscale photos in Photoshop with a real-time high-pass sharpening method that's fast, non-destructive, and easy to adjust. This workflow is perfect when you want more detail without ruining the look of your image. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more Photoshop editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.